how to get confident. If you watch this whole video, you will know everything you have to know. So what is confidence? Confidence is when you look into the mirror and you say and you tell yourself that, oh my god, I'm looking fucking good. When you're walking outside in the nature, in the park, and you have a straight posture, you are feeling good about yourself. Yes, your chest pops out, you are feeling vibe, you're feeling good. When you don't overthink things, when you don't give a fuck about the little things in your life, and you know what things you can control and what things you cannot control, so you focus on the things you can control. You're trying to get better and better, but you are still feeling good about yourself. But how can you do this? And no, I don't believe in the fake it till you make it. I was a fucking fat motherfucker. Yes, 97 kilos was my top weight. And people told me that you have to love yourself, and I tried that. I looked at the mirror and told myself, yeah, you are looking good, yes, you are loved, attractive, and I couldn't even believe it, because in the mirror there was some fat little kid. How could I be confident in that body? So I realized that, okay, I will never be confident, I can never fake it till you make it, but I can start to make changes. And I told myself that after it I will be confident. A lot of people told me that if you are not confident now, you won't be confident after you achieve things, but in my life that was the opposite. So I cut it down pretty much, and I started to get a little bit confident, because there was not so much fat on me, but there was still problems, because okay, I cut it down, I was looking a lot better, but still I couldn't talk to girls. So in the girls area, I couldn't be confident. Like, okay, I was looking a lot good. Every friend of mine, like girls, told me that, oh, you have a so big glow up, and yes, I still couldn't even hold eye contact. So in that area, I wasn't confident, but I was confident that I can do more with my body, because I successfully dropped down 20-25 kilos in one summer. So I started to play with these things. I cut it down even more, and yeah, I felt a lot better. And then my friend showed me the gym, and I got really heartbroken. So the typical story that you go to the gym and you are going to get jacked and everything. So I started to go into the gym, and I really started to like it. So I became confident that I can put on some muscle, and I started to bulk up. But I was still not confident in the girls area, or in talking to people, talking to strangers and these things. And after the last cutting phase, it was more than a year, I cut it down. Now I'm 68 kilos. I started that, okay, I still had some fat on me, and I thought, hey, why do I have to wait for me to get six pack if I can try to be more confident now? And I had that. I worked on that confidence, that I'm confident that I will get six pack till summer. I was confident that I was going to look good, but I wasn't confident in this situation talking to strangers. So I'm going to just work on them, because I don't have to work on my body, because I know that it was automatic to me that I was going to lose weight, because I did it once. I showed myself what I am capable of, so I became very confident in that area. And that I my mind started to think that, okay, you were never confident with your body, and you became confident because you were. And my mind just found some connection to, okay, that, or if I'm going to work on talking to strangers, I'm going to have confidence, and then I can talk to girls. So I started to be very authentic me, that I went to the party, I was really loud, and 80% people looked at me that, oh, I don't like this guy. But I was always that. With my close friends, I was the loudest one. I laughed, I screamed, I sang songs. I don't know how it's I was singing, okay, but if I was in a party, I couldn't be that, because I wasn't confident. But now I know I'm going to be fucking jack dude, so let's just pretend that I am that now. And it was not fake it till you make it, because I knew I'm going to make it. So I started to be my authentic self. People started to noticing me, not like the majority 80% hated me for this, because I was strange. I wasn't the normal dude who is going, who was talking with someone and these things. I was the loud one. But the 10-20% started to coming to me that, hey, you are weak. pretty chill guy, I really like you, let's talk. And I found so great friends, which was the same vibe as me. And I found some girls who was same vibe with me. And the first time was the girl was so into me that she literally tried 3 months to get me, and we get together. And it was fucking good for me because back I didn't want a girl because I said, okay, now I'm confident, now I can get any girl. But eventually we get together, and it was fucking good that a girl wanted me, really wanted me, was into me, and was fighting for me for 3 months. And then I got the six pack, and then I started to having confidence because okay, girl really wanted me, and I got confident in that area, and I got confident in friends, got confident in speaking in front of people. So I thought, okay, so it's really working that way. And now I don't have girlfriends, and I'm going to party. I don't really want to get girls, but a lot of times girls starting to speaking to me, or just maybe random guys just have started to with getting to know each other. For me it's really easy to find friends in situations where I am alone. So I go somewhere, I don't know anybody, 5 minutes I'm going to have 3 friends or 3 guys I'm talking to, or girls who I'm going to talking to, and I don't really want anything to fuck them or anything. But sometimes I just see that the girl is looking at me in a strange way, and then now I know that okay, she really wants me. So the whole situation started that I wasn't a confident guy in any area. I was a fat motherfucker, and that okay, I watch videos how to get confident, tell yourself that you are fucking G, look in the mirror, you can do anything, but I wasn't looking good. I wasn't a top G, I wasn't anybody. But then I got confident in my body slowly, so I didn't have that problem, and my mind just found the connection that with hard work you can get confident in anything. And then I started to giving just myself, not with girls but with guys, but with strangers. But then the stranger had a friend, a girl, and she was really into me because I was my authentic self, and I wasn't even cut it down. I had a lot more fat than now, and I went, okay, my body wasn't really looking good because I have really, if I'm bulking, my fat goes to my face, and I'm not really attractive in my honest opinion. And she was into me because I couldn't give a fuck, because I knew that I'm going to be attractive 3 or 4 months now. And because I was confident, I could pull this girl with my fat body. Because I was confident with my body, but that was true confidence, not fake one, because girls can sense fake confidence. And then I got the six pack, and then I started to really feeling that girls are attracted to me. So I got even more confident in that area. So my next thing was that okay, it's good, but I still giving a lot of fuck about what others thinking of me. So I started this YouTube channel I think 2 years ago, and it was faceless, then it was with my mask, and I said that why do I even give a fuck? So I started to showing you my face. So this is how I got confident. You can get confident to start with one area, get confident, and then start with another. The first thing, the most important thing, you have to be confident with your body and with yourself. So until then, don't worry, be happy.